love and be loved and to know one another, like knowing the palm of your hand. Letting myself open up to the world, and a world that I now understand. And time is no thing when you're entwined in eternal feeling and eternal thoughts, finding the thing that your soul knew it needed, and so painfully, lastingly so. The ground you walk is the ground where I sleep. Your trail is all that I care for. It's you that I chose over memories bold, and it's you and you alone that I'm there for. 'Cause your eyes are like doorways that open and slam, and are able to calm my emotions. The sky changes shades, and the pain of my wounds are blowing over the oceans. Whoa, whoa. And your presence alone is enough to silence any moans, make any grown man cry. I start to see my dreams being fleshed out before me. Illusions of life pass me by. To feel loved is the thing that keeps my world sane. Promise you'll always be mine. The feeling of knowing that you've grown to adore me until the end of time. So baby, I'll come to you, and I'll have open arms whenever you wish to hold my hand. The future is forever changing course, so gather yourself, my girl. No one around us understands. And I have noticed the irrelevance of people surrounded by irrelevant words. And in the mist, when I was losing myself, your voice was the one I heard.